outside. Wait for me!
Hello everyone, welcome to What's Poppin Wednesday. I'm Dalton.
And I'm Emma.
Before we get started, Noah, tell us how the weather is outside.
Thanks, Emma and Dalton. I'm Noah with the weather. Today will be a little bit warm and cold at the same time. Thursday will be raining all day, so be sure to have your umbrella ready. And Friday will be in the 40s, so I hope you got extra jackets. I'm Noah with WTHS AM weather. Back to you, Emma and Dalton.
Thanks, Noah. The Veterans Day program will be tomorrow at 9 in the PAC. Be sure to be there to support our veterans who fought for our freedom.
In welding this week, the students are learning about various hand tools such as the file. Mr. McIntosh tells us more about this fun yet dangerous activity.
Well, basically we've been working on hand tools, and one of the hand tools that we're working with today is the file. And what they're basically learning to do with the file is to shape metal. So the file is a tool that can shape metal, wood, plastics, different things like that. It can also cut them. So that's basically what we're doing. We're using a file to take a rough piece of metal and we're smoothing out all the edges.
We also asked the student if they will use a skill or make a career out of it.
Probably. I'm probably going to a trade school and try to learn how to weld and make a career out of it.
Tomorrow, progress reports will come out in first block.
Which means grades are officially locked, so that means you need to find a good hiding spot for your progress reports.
Today, the cross-country team will compete at state.
We wish them the best of luck and we hope that they catch that dub.
For this meet, I am working on my intensity and trying to keep a pace at a certain time.
I hope that I break, PR and break 18, and I hope our team, we have a chance of winning. I hope everybody actually try, we got this.
Well, that's all we have for today. I'm Emma.
And I'm Dalton.
We hope to see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.